The weatherman screamed, "It's a snowpocalypse, folks." The sky dropped a blanket, turned cars into ghosts. The wind's howling like a stand-up comic's foe, and my driveway's buried deeper than my Aunt Flo's casserole. Grab that shovel, channel your inner gym rat, but your back's screaming, "Nope!" like a cat in a bath. Bob next door's revving his snowblower symphony. Show-off's got a grin wider than a Yeti ski trip. Oh, it's the Blizzard Blues Boogie, slip sliding all day. Your boots, fashion bricks, but you waddle anyway. Work still a go, boss says, brave the icy ballet. Pray your car starts, or you're hitching a sled dog sleigh. The roads are a circus, cars spin like drunk ballerinas. Your coffee's now slush, frozen latte tragedia. Your penguin walking past Larry, who sprawled on his knee, yells, "Nice pirouette." Want a score from the judges? The bus is MIA, lost in a snow globe somewhere. Your toes are popsicles, but hey, frostbite's chic this year. The office heat's cranked to Sahara, so dress in layers. By noon, you're a sweaty snowman quoting, "I'll survive." Oh, it's the Blizzard Blues Boogie, a frostbite fiesta. Grocery store's chaos, bread's gone, guess we're eating salsa. Cleaned out the milk, but there's kale, thanks health-crazed Yolanda. And Dave's hoarding TP like it's cryptocurrency propaganda. Kids built a snowman that looks like Mayor McCheese. Karen's SUV stuck, she's blaming the breeze. My shovel just quit, yelled out mid-scoop, so I'm plowing with a cookie sheet. Hey, improv's a superpower group.